Hi, Dr. Hines. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm great. Do you mind if I follow you along as you work and ask you some questions?
No problem.
Wonderful. First up, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Dr. Michelle Hines, and I'm the Director of Product Formulation and Global Upstream Research here at Mary Kay. I've been part of the research and development organization since 2005, and I currently lead the wonderful product formulation team of scientists who develop the Mary Kay skincare product portfolio.
Awesome. Well, today I'm here to talk to you all about wrinkles. Are you ready to dive in?
Let's do it.
First up, let's start with the basics. What's the difference between fine lines and wrinkles?
Both fine lines and wrinkles are visible signs of skin aging, and in general they are defined by size. Fine lines generally appear beneath the eyes, while wrinkles and deep wrinkles appear on the forehead and crow's feet area outside of the eyes. Over time, fine lines can progress to deeper wrinkles.
Okay, so how and why do fine lines and wrinkles form?
Many factors are involved in the development of fine lines and wrinkles. Skin experts acknowledge that 80% of visible signs of aging are attributed to external environmental factors, such as UV light, pollution, and blue light from devices. With age each year, you also lose important skin proteins such as collagen. A lifetime of repetitive facial expressions, including smiling, squinting, and frowning, gradually degrade the underlying collagen and elastin of skin. As a result, the top layers of skin sink into these creases and appear as lines and wrinkles on the face.
So basically, skin aging is inevitable?
That's correct.
But if a lot of aging comes from the external factors, as you mentioned, does that mean that there are also ways to prevent it?
That's also correct. You can prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming prematurely by consistently wearing SPF 30 or higher and maintaining a consistent skincare regimen. Consistency is key, and it's never too late to start.
Okay, so what do I do if I already have visible fine lines and wrinkles? What can I do to address them?
Similar to preventing premature skin aging, a consistent skincare regimen, including twice daily cleansing and moisturizing with products containing age-fighting ingredients, can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
You mentioned age-fighting ingredients. What are some of those key ingredients I should be looking for in my skincare products in order to prevent or diminish wrinkles?
When it comes to age-fighting ingredients, retinol is the gold standard. It promotes skin renewal to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Other great ingredients to look for include vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. And then there's also resveratrol. All of these ingredients help support natural collagen and elastin. But hydration is also critical to healthy skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I recommend looking for products that contain hyaluronic acid because it helps draw moisture to the skin.
Earlier, you mentioned age plays a role in skin condition. What skincare steps do you recommend for those with mild to moderate signs of aging?
Everyone should cleanse and moisturize their skin twice daily. This healthy habit will ensure healthy-looking skin over time. If you're showing mild to moderate signs of aging, I recommend incorporating an age-fighting serum and exfoliation into your cleansing and moisturizing routine.
And what skincare steps do you recommend for those with more severe signs of aging?
In addition to the steps I just mentioned, those with more severe signs of aging can add a product containing retinol to their skincare regimen. It's a star ingredient when it comes to preventing and reducing the appearance of lines and wrinkles, starting as early as your 20s.
And last but definitely not least, what tips do you have for gracefully embracing natural and inevitable skin aging?
Healthy skin is beautiful skin, regardless of age. A consistent skincare regimen of twice daily cleansing and moisturizing from an early age, in addition to key skincare supplements such as serums, will help ensure healthy-looking skin for life.
Healthy skin is beautiful skin, regardless of age. I love it. Thank you so much for your time today, Dr. Hines. Do you have anything else to say to our audience?
If you have any more questions about skin aging or creating a skincare regimen that's right for you, please visit marykay.com to connect with your very own independent beauty consultant. And remember, wrinkles aren't something to fear. Prevent premature aging with a consistent skincare regimen and welcome getting older with open arms. You're beautiful at any age. Thanks so much for stopping by.